But today I want to show y'all a few of the things that I would fix for a tailgate party. And we're going to start with South Georgia Caviar. You think caviar is fish eggs? Wrong. It's black-eyed peas, honey. And we're going to start with just canned black-eyed peas, canned corn. And you want to make this the night before because you want to serve it nice and chilled. Diced tomatoes, jalapeno peppers for a little heat, some chopped pimento, chopped onion. The onion gives it such a good flavor. And some diced red bell pepper. And we're gonna just mix all that stuff up. Just stir it up. Look at all those pretty colors. This recipe has been a Southern favorite now for a good while. You start eating those jalapenos and you want more beer, and then you drink your beer, and then you want more caviar. Now I'm gonna cover this with just an Italian dressing, and that's it. And we're just gonna put this in the refrigerator and let it chill, and we're gonna serve it later with corn chips, tortilla chips, whatever suits your fancy. This one's ready for the fridge, but to be sure I had enough, I made a batch yesterday, so let's check on the caviar and see if it's good and chilled. It should be. And yes, it is. And look at this adorable little caviar tin I have. I'm gonna just put this into the tin, which will be great because when we're through with it, I'll just pop the lid back on it. We're just gonna pop this into the tin, into the middle of our tray, and then we're just gonna toss it with tortilla chips on one side, and then I'm gonna put the corn chips around here on the other side. So we are pleasing everybody now. And like I said, when we're through with it, I'll just be able to put the lid back on it and throw it in the fridge. I've got to have a sample. It's delicious.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this blast from the past, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.